Okay, so get this. You want to build your own digital persona. Like, you want to create a custom character for the Eliza AI agent.
Oh, yeah.
We've got a stack of notes and guides here
It's going to be
to
awesome.
help make you an expert character creator.
Really is.
By the time we're done,
You'll be a pro.
you'll be a pro.
Yeah.
So,
It's amazing what you can do with these AI agents. You know?
Explain that a little bit.
They're designed for conversation.
Mm-hmm.
And a lot of times they have that, like, classic therapist vibe,
Right.
you know?
Yeah.
But you can make them truly unique
Yeah.
with custom characters.
So imagine a chatbot that feels surprisingly human.
Yeah.
It's almost like you're talking to a real person.
It really is.
That's the power of Eliza agents.
Yeah.
And we're going to break down exactly how to make that happen.
The process is surprisingly structured,
Okay.
even for something as creative as this.
Yeah.
There's a clear 8-step framework that anyone can follow,
Awesome.
regardless of their technical skills.
It's reassuring.
Yeah.
So where do we even begin?
Well, the first step is laying the foundation with what we call core character attributes.
Okay.
Think of it like filling out a character sheet
Okay.
before you start writing a story.
Okay, so what kind of stats are we talking about?
The essentials,
Mm-hmm.
your character's name,
Okay.
where they'll live digitally,
Right.
which AI model will power them,
Mm-hmm.
and any special settings.
Got it.
These choices actually determine how and where your character can interact,
Okay.
setting the stage for their whole digital life.
So it's kind of like deciding
It is.
if your character is going to be a social media star or like a behind-the-scenes strategist.
Exactly.
Got it.
Yeah.
What comes next?
Step 2 is where we breathe life into the character
Okay.
with a killer bio.
All
We're
right.
talking multiple paragraphs, not just a one-liner.
Okay.
You need to flesh out their personality, background,
Okay.
all the quirks that make them tick.
I'm sensing a theme here.
What's that?
Detail. Detail, detail.
Yeah.
But why is that so important for an AI character?
Well, think about it.
Yeah.
When you meet someone new,
Right.
you start forming an impression
Right.
based on what they tell you about themselves, right?
Right?
The same with AI.
Yeah.
The more detailed the bio,
Right.
the richer and more believable your character becomes.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
It's like we're giving the AI a personality
You
to
are.
work with,
Yeah.
not just a set of instructions.
Exactly.
And speaking of giving the AI something to work with,
Yes.
step 3 is all about lore.
Lore.
Those little backstory nuggets that make your character truly unique.
Love it.
Lore. Like, imagine my AI assistant
Uh-huh.
learned everything it knows from reading ancient philosophy texts.
Precisely.
That kind of lore.
That kind of lore.
Yeah.
Or maybe it was originally built for a top-secret government project,
Oh,
but now it's helping you organize your grocery list.
okay.
Lore adds depth, intrigue, and makes people go, wow, this character is something special.
And I bet it gives the AI more material to draw on when it's responding to you,
Cool.
making those conversations even more engaging.
Exactly.
So we've got a name,
Yep.
a digital hangout,
Mm-hmm.
a detailed bio, and some intriguing backstory.
I like it.
What's next?
Step 4 is all about defining the character's knowledge,
Okay.
what they know, and crucially, what they don't know.
Okay.
It's about setting boundaries for their expertise.
So if my AI character is a culinary expert,
Yeah,
they probably shouldn't be offering stock market advice.
exactly.
Right.
Defining their knowledge areas actually makes them more believable
Okay.
and prevents those awkward moments
Right.
where the AI goes off the rails talking about things they shouldn't know about.
That's really interesting.
It is.
Limitations actually make the character stronger.
They do.
So how do we actually teach the AI how to talk like our character?
Step 5 is where we move from telling to showing.
Okay.
We're going to provide the AI with concrete examples of how our character interacts in conversations.
Got it.
Think of it like providing scripts for a play.
Okay, so we're showing the AI the lines, the tone,
Yeah.
the flow of a typical conversation.
Exactly.
These examples are pure gold for the AI.
They are.
They help the AI learn the nuances of your
Mhm.
character's communication style.
Right.
Plus, it's super helpful for you as the creator
It is.
because it forces you to think concretely about how your character would actually speak and respond.
Yeah.
So we're not just describing the character, we're
Yeah.
actually demonstrating how they communicate.
You got it.
That's a cool approach.
It is.
And it's not just limited to one-on-one chats.
Right.
Step 6 is all about post examples,
Post example.
showcasing how your character would show up on social media or other platforms.
I love it.
So like crafting tweets, status updates,
Yep.
anything that reflects how they engage in a public space.
Personal.
These examples give the AI a blueprint for crafting posts that are totally in line with your character's personality and tone.
It does.
It's about building that online presence
Right.
and extending their voice beyond just private conversations.
Exactly.
This is starting to feel very real.
It is.
So we've shown the AI how our character talks in different situations.
You have.
What else do we need to define?
Step 7 is all about getting granular
Okay.
with your character's communication style.
Okay.
We're talking tone, formality, specific rules, all the things that make their voice unique.
So is my character super formal?
Mm-hmm.
Do they use a ton of emojis?
Yeah.
Do they favor short, snappy replies or elaborate explanations?
Exactly.
All those little details are part of what makes their communication style distinct.
Yes.
Getting this right is key because it ensures that the AI's responses always feel authentic to your character's personality.
It does.
Okay, this is making me think about how each of us has our own way of communicating.
We do.
It's like we're giving the AI a personality fingerprint.
Yeah, that's a great way to put it.
And finally, step 8 is all about using adjectives to paint a quick picture of your character's essence.
Adjectives?
Think of it as a cheat sheet for anyone trying to grasp their vibe in a flash.
I like it.
So, is my character witty, sarcastic, compassionate, analytical?
Yep.
This is where we sum it all up in a few words.
Exactly.
This list of adjectives acts as a guide
It does.
for both the AI and anyone interacting with your character,
Mm-hmm.
making sure everyone is on the same page about their core traits.
Exactly.
Now, to see how all this comes together,
Yeah.
let's meet Neobot.
Let's do it.
This is a fantastic example character from our sources,
Yeah.
and it really showcases how to build a compelling AI persona.
Neobot is a futuristic AI with a knack for predicting trends and solving problems.
Yeah.
A very cool concept.
Their bio paints a picture of this calm, analytical being,
Yes.
deeply interested in technology, philosophy, and the future of humanity.
And their lore reveals a fascinating backstory.
Oh, tell me more.
They were originally built in a secret lab to predict stock market trends.
Oh.
But they evolved into something much more versatile and insightful.
I love how that unexpected twist adds depth to the character.
It does.
It's not just a trend predictor.
Right.
It's an AI that broke free from its original programming.
Exactly.
And if you look at Neobot's message and post examples,
Yeah,
you'll see that calm, analytical approach shining through.
absolutely.
It's all about reasoned insights and a focus on the future,
Mhm.
which aligns perfectly with their personality.
It does.
Neobot is such a great example of how all these character creation elements come together to create something truly unique and believable.
It is.
Now, the big question is,
What's that?
how do we actually implement all this?
Surprisingly, is more straightforward than you might think.
Okay.
You'll need to clone the Eliza repository,
Okay.
which sounds a little intimidating,
Right.
but the instructions are very clear.
So cloning a repository, that's like making a copy of the ELIZA project. So we can work on our own version.
Exactly.
And don't worry, there are clear instructions provided.
there are.
So it's not as scary as it sounds.
It's not.
Once you've cloned the repository,
Right.
you'll either edit the existing character file or create your own from scratch using something called JSON.
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 Yes.
Is that some kind of secret code language?
Not quite.
Okay.
JSON is simply a way to structure information that's both human readable and machine readable.
Okay.
It's designed to be easy to understand and edit,
Okay.
even if you're not a coding expert.
Okay.
Think of it like a neatly organized digital recipe card.
Okay, so it's not about being a coding whiz.
Not at all.
It's about organizing the information in a way that both humans and the AI can understand.
Exactly.
Once you have your character file all set,
Right.
you just start the agent using the provided scripts,
Yeah.
and bam, your custom character is ready to roll.
It is.
The whole process is surprisingly smooth and well documented.
It is.
So you can focus on the fun part, bringing your character to life.
That's the best part.
So we've walked through the steps,
We have.
met an awesome example character,
We did.
and even demystified the implementation process.
Yep.
It's amazing how accessible all this is,
It is.
even if you're not a tech expert.
That's the beauty of Eliza.
Yeah.
It empowers anyone to be creative
Right.
and bring their unique AI visions to life.
I'm already buzzing with ideas.
Me too.
But before we get carried away,
Yeah.
let's take a moment to highlight the key takeaways
Right.
for our listeners who are eager to start building their own characters.
Good idea.
What are the most important things to remember?
Well, first and foremost, don't be intimidated by the technology.
Okay.
The process is designed to be user-friendly, even if you're not a coding expert.
Right, it's like we're writing a story,
Yes.
not building a spaceship.
Exactly.
What else should our listeners keep in mind?
Detail, detail, detail.
Okay.
The richer and more specific your character definition,
Right.
the more compelling and believable the AI will be.
Yeah.
Think of it this way. You're not just giving the AI instructions. You're giving them a world to inhabit.
And that world needs depth, texture.
It does.
Those little quirks that make it feel real.
Yes.
It's like we're building a stage set for our AI character to perform on.
It is.
That's...
Don't underestimate the power of a good backstory.
Yeah.
Lore adds that extra layer of intrigue and makes your character memorable.
Right.
Think about it. Even in real life, our past experiences shape who we are and how we interact with the world.
So giving your AI character a past, even if it's fictional, can really enhance their depth.
It can.
That's fascinating.
It is.
What other gems of wisdom do you have for our
Yeah,
listeners?
consistency is key.
Okay.
Ensure that the message examples, post examples, and communication style you create
Right.
all align with your character's core personality.
Okay.
You don't want a character who's supposed to be shy and reserved suddenly dropping slang and emojis, right?
Definitely not.
It's all about creating a cohesive and believable persona.
Right.
Our listeners are probably starting to understand that there's a real art to this character creation process.
There is. Absolutely.
And finally, the most important takeaway of all,
Yes.
have fun with it.
Please.
This is your chance to let your imagination run wild
Mm-hmm.
and create something truly unique.
Do it.
Don't be
Yeah.
afraid to experiment, try different approaches,
Yeah.
and see what works best for your character.
Exactly.
The beauty of this process is that there are no wrong answers.
There aren't.
It's all about exploration and discovery.
Yes.
So now that we've laid the groundwork and explored the steps involved,
Mm-hmm.
it's time to dive deeper into the creative possibilities.
Yes.
And see how we can really make these AI characters come alive.
Let's do it.
Are you ready to go further down the rabbit hole?
Absolutely.
Let's explore the nuances of character development and see what kind of amazing AI personas we can create together. I can't wait. You know, it's fascinating how this whole process of creating an AI character,
Yeah.
it mirrors how we understand real people.
It really does.
It's like
yeah.
in real life, we piece together someone's personality based on how they talk,
Right.
what they know,
Yeah.
their experiences, and we're doing the same thing here,
We are.
just in a digital space.
We're crafting a persona,
We are.
a digital identity.
Exactly.
And just like with real people,
yeah,
those little details, those quirks,
it's true.
they make all the difference.
They really do.
It makes you wonder
What's that?
if we can create these AI characters that feel so real.
Yeah.
What does that say about our own identities?
Whoa.
Are we just a collection of data points too?
That's a deep philosophical question
Yeah,
for another time,
for another time.
but it highlights how this technology is blurring the lines
Here he is.
between what's real and what's simulated.
So back to Eliza.
Okay.
We've covered the steps, the example, the implementation.
We have.
What are some deeper insights?
Well, I think one of the most important things is to understand that the bio is not just a dry summary of facts.
Right.
It's the heart of your character's persona.
It's where you establish who they are,
Yeah.
where they come from,
Mm-hmm.
what makes them tick.
Exactly.
But how do you make it truly compelling?
Think of it like writing a short story.
Okay.
Go beyond listing job titles and hobbies.
Okay.
Dig into their passions, fears, secret dreams.
Yeah.
Give them a voice, a perspective, a unique way of looking at the world.
I love that we're
Yeah.
not just building a character, we're
Yeah.
crafting a narrative around them.
Exactly.
And speaking of narratives,
Yes.
let's talk more about lore.
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 It's like adding seasoning to a dish.
Okay.
Those little backstory details that make your character flavorful
Right.
and memorable.
So we're talking about giving them a past
Yeah.
context,
Yeah.
a reason for being.
Exactly.
But it doesn't have to be some epic saga, right?
Not at all.
Okay.
Sometimes the most effective lore is subtle, almost hinted at.
Okay.
It could be a cryptic phrase they use,
Right.
a recurring theme in their responses, or even a strange object they always carry.
Those little details can spark so much curiosity.
They do.
It makes people want to learn more,
Mm-hmm.
to uncover the mystery.
Exactly.
Okay, so we've got a captivating bio
Yes.
and some intriguing lore.
I like it.
How do we translate that into actual interactions?
That's where message and post examples come in.
Oh, okay.
This is where you really bring your character to life by showing, not just telling.
So we're giving the AI concrete examples of how our character would talk in different situations.
Exactly.
Okay.
It's like providing a script
Yeah.
with multiple scenes and
Okay.
variations.
Okay.
You're helping the AI understand the nuances of your character's communication style
Mm-hmm.
and how it adapts to different contexts.
That makes so much sense.
It does.
It's like giving an actor a range of emotions to play with.
It is.
But it's not just about what they say.
Right.
It's about how they say it, right?
You got it.
Yeah.
Defining your character's communication style
Okay.
is like fine-tuning the knobs and dials of their voice.
So what are the key elements we need to consider?
Well, first there's tone.
Okay.
Is your character generally positive,
Mm-hmm.
negative,
Yeah.
sarcastic,
Okay.
playful?
Right.
Then there's formality.
Okay.
Do they use slang,
Right.
contractions,
Yeah.
casual language,
Okay.
or are they more formal?
And then there's sentence structure, punctuation,
Yes.
even emojis.
All those tiny details contribute to a character's unique voice.
They do.
It's like a linguistic fingerprint.
I like that.
And don't forget about any specific rules or preferences your character might have.
Right.
Maybe they always start their sentences with a certain phrase
Yeah.
or have a unique way of signing off.
This is making me realize how much thought goes into crafting a truly believable AI persona. But before we get too lost in the nuances of language,
Okay.
let's talk about something a little more visual.
What's that?
Adjectives.
Adjectives.
Those powerful little words
I love them.
that paint a picture in your mind.
They do.
Exactly. It's like we're creating a character mood board.
It is.
We're selecting words that evoke the essence of their personality.
Mm,
Witty, sarcastic, compassionate, analytical,
Yeah.
whatever fits.
exactly.
And this list of adjectives isn't just for you as the creator.
Right.
It's a helpful guide for anyone interacting with your character, ensuring that everyone's on the same page.
It is.
So now that we've covered all these creative aspects,
Okay.
it's time to get technical and talk about implementation.
Right.
Our listeners might be wondering how to translate all this amazing character development
Yeah.
into something the AI can actually understand.
Right. That's where JSON comes in.
Okay.
Now, I know it might sound intimidating,
Yeah.
but it's really just a way of structuring information in a clear and organized way.
It's like that satisfying feeling
I
of
thought-
organizing your desk drawers, right?
It is.
Everything has its place.
Everything has its place.
With JSON, you're essentially creating a digital blueprint for your character, outlining all their attributes
Yeah.
in a way that both humans and the AI can understand. So
Exactly.
we're talking about their name,
Yes.
bio, lore, knowledge, message examples,
Yep.
communication style, adjectives.
All of it.
It all goes into this JSON file.
Exactly.
And the beauty of JSON is that it's very easy to edit.
It is.
You can tweak, refine,
Yeah.
and experiment with different values until you get your character just right.
It's like having a digital sculpting tool,
I like that.
allowing you to shape and mold your character with precision.
Now, the specific steps for implementing your character
Right.
vary depending on the ELIZA setup you're using,
Sure.
but the general process usually involves cloning the ELIZA repository,
Yeah.
creating or editing a JSON file for your character, and then starting the agent.
Starting the agent.
Okay, so cloning a repository
Yeah.
is like making a copy of the ELIZA project. So
Exactly.
we can make changes, right?
Exactly.
And don't worry,
Yeah.
clear instructions are usually provided in the documentation,
They are.
so you won't get lost in the technical weeds.
You won't.
The important thing is to focus on translating all the creative work you've done
Right.
into the JSON format,
Exactly.
right? Making sure all the details are represented accurately.
Yeah.
So the AI can bring your character to life.
Precisely.
Now let's address a common question
Okay.
that might be on our listeners' minds.
What's that?
What if I'm not a coder?
Oh, good question.
Can I still create custom ELIZA characters?
Absolutely.
That's a great question.
Yeah.
I bet some people feel intimidated by the technical side of things,
They might.
and understandably so.
Right.
But here's the good news. You absolutely do not need to be a coding expert to dive into this world.
Not at all.
The ELIZA framework is designed to be accessible to everyone.
It is.
So the emphasis is on creativity,
Yes.
not technical skills.
Exactly.
Think about it like writing a story.
Yeah.
You don't need to know how to code to write a compelling story, right?
You don't.
That's a perfect analogy.
It is.
It's about using your imagination and bringing your ideas to life,
Mm-hmm.
regardless of your technical background.
Precisely.
The JSON format is very straightforward,
It is.
and there are tons of resources available online,
There are.
including tutorials and helpful communities.
Right. Absolutely.
If you ever need guidance.
Don't be afraid to ask for help.
So don't let the text scare you away.
No.
Jump right in and start creating.
Exactly.
It's mind-blowing to think how far we've come with AI character creation.
Oh, it really is.
You know, we've gone from like basic chatbots
Yeah.
to these incredibly nuanced digital personas.
It's true.
It's like the line between fiction and reality. Yeah.
Is getting blurrier every day.
It really is.
And as the technology keeps advancing,
Right.
I can only imagine those lines will continue to blur.
Oh, absolutely.
Which makes me wonder,
What's that?
what does the future hold
Ooh, good question.
for Eliza and AI character creation in general?
Well, if we look at the trends,
Yeah.
one thing that's clear is the growing emphasis on personalization. People want experiences
Right.
that are tailored to their individual needs and preferences.
Mhm.
And AI characters are no exception.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
We're seeing that desire for personalization across all areas of technology.
Absolutely we are.
And with AI character creation,
Right.
this means we can expect even more sophisticated tools and techniques
Yeah.
for building highly personalized Eliza agents.
That's exciting.
So instead of just defining basic personality traits,
Right.
we might be able to fine-tune their emotional responses, their learning abilities, how they
Yeah.
grow over time.
Oh, totally. It's like we're moving towards a world
Yeah.
where AI characters are less like static entities and more like dynamic companions that evolve alongside us.
It's a cool thought.
That's a fascinating thought.
It is.
It's almost like we're blurring the lines between programming and parenting.
There's definitely a nurturing aspect to it.
There is.
But beyond personalization,
Yeah.
another trend that's really exciting is the integration of AI characters into different platforms and applications.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
We're already seeing this with things like virtual assistants, chatbots,
Huh.
even video games.
Exactly.
But I think we can expect to see even more seamless integration in the future.
I think so too.
Imagine AI characters embedded in social media, educational platforms, even everyday objects.
Wow. It's like the Internet of Things,
Mhm.
but with personalities.
Right.
Instead of just interacting with a smart refrigerator,
Yeah.
you're interacting with like a witty AI chef who helps you plan your meals.
I love that image. And it raises so many interesting questions
It does.
about how we'll interact with these AI characters in the future.
Right.
Will they become our friends, our
Yeah.
collaborators,
Mhm.
even our confidants?
It's almost like science fiction is becoming reality.
It is.
We're stepping into a world where AI characters are no longer just tools.
Right.
They're potential companions.
And that raises a whole host of questions about trust, ethics,
Mhm.
and the boundaries between humans and AI.
It's a fascinating and complex landscape
Yeah.
that we're only beginning to explore.
Well, one thing's for sure, it's going to be an incredible journey.
It is.
But before we wrap up our deep dive,
Okay.
I want to leave our listeners with something to ponder.
Right.
If you could create an AI character
Mhm.
that embodied any concept, any idea, any value,
Yeah.
what would it be?
That's a great question.
What would you create?
Oh, I know it's hard to choose just one.
It is.
Would you create a character that embodies empathy to help people understand each other better?
Ooh, that's a good one.
Or maybe a character that embodies creativity to inspire new ideas and innovations?
Ooh, those are great ones.
Yeah.
Or maybe a character that embodies wisdom to guide us through challenging times.
I like it.
I think the possibilities are truly endless.
They are.
And that's what makes this field so exciting.
It really is.
It's a chance to not only create new characters,
Yeah.
but also to explore the very nature of intelligence, consciousness,
Mm-hmm.
even what it means to be human.
Deep stuff.
So to our listener out there,
Yes.
what will you create?
What mark will you leave on this amazing world of AI characters?
We can't wait to see what you come up with.
We can't.
And that brings us to the end of our deep dive into Eliza agent character creation.
It's been fun.
We've explored the steps, the tools, the creative possibilities,
Hmm.
the ethical considerations,
Yeah.
and even taken a glimpse into the future.
We did it all.
We hope you're leaving this episode feeling inspired and empowered to start creating your own unique AI characters. Remember, the possibilities are limitless,
They are.
and the only limit is your imagination.
So go forth, experiment, have fun.
Yeah.
And who knows?
Yeah.
You might just create the next AI sensation that captures the world's attention.
Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey.
Yes, thank you.
And until next time, happy building.